Hello everyone, my name is Pragati Jhaparasar. I am from Hooghly Mahsin College and I am legal intern of LexClick and Company. My topic is sedition law colonial. Does government want to retain it? So the Supreme Court on Thursday said that the sedition law is misused by the police to a fixed person who want to speak against the government. So the sedition provision, section 124A of IPC, is a colonial era which was used by the person against the British rule, and also it was used against the Mahatma Gandhi and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So does the government wants to retain it after 75 years of independence? The Supreme Court said like 66A of IT Act caused before it was abused to arrest thousands for airing their views. Sedition law is also misused by the police to the fixed person who speak against the government. There is a no accountability for slapping of sedition charge. Surprisingly, the center through through KK Venugopal appeared to agree before the Supreme Court and requested uh, to um, to make a fresh guidelines of the sedition law for protecting the nation and democratic institution. As the Tuzar Mehta told the Supreme Court that once the center files its counter affidavit to the PIL by the retired Major General S.G. Bombedkar, and the court tasks will be the easier, thus indicating the center is more or less on the same page as the Supreme Court, which front at the misuse of Section 124A. Chief Justice of India said that the situation on the ground of the concern, if the state government does not find the voice of opposition palatable, it slaps the section 124A to implicate those groups of persons who raise their voice against the government. So it is serious issue, and said the Supreme Court can lay down more filter for use of the section 124A. Apart from this is specified by Supreme Court in 1962 of Kedarnath verdicts. Petitioner Bombedkar said that the freedom of speech has gained the substantially ground, and sedition should not be slapped for the dissent. The Supreme Court was hearing a plea by a former army officer challenging the constitution validity of the sedition law on the ground that it caused the chilling effect on the speech and is an unreasonable restrict on free expression of this is a fundamental right. So the plea filed by Major General S.G. Bombedkar retired submitted the section of 124A of Indian Penal Code, which deals with the offence of sedition. Sedition is wholly unconstitutional and should be unequivocally and unambiguously struck down. The petitioner contended that a statute criminalizing the expression based on the unconstitutionality, work definition, and disaffection toward the governments, etc., is an unreasonable restriction on the fundamental right to free expression guaranteed under the Article 19 subsection 1 and subsection A, and cause constitutionally impermissible chilling effect on speech, the police said. So this is all about the today case of Supreme Court, which said about the sedition law. So, uh, so the plea was filed by the retired army officer about the sedition law. This is all about the news of today on Thursday. Thank you.